Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I go by Hiram Obogwa. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we'll be looking at Java packages and understanding the purpose of Java packages and how we can utilize Java packages to control access to different classes. With that, I'll go ahead and get started by creating the project. I've already opened up IntelliJ and I'll hit new project, Java. Next, call this working with packages. Finish. So now as you can see, we have our project here and we have our source directory. So the first thing that I'm going to do is create the default package, and I will right click, new. Here we have the package option, package, and it will be com.coderush. Now the naming standard for package is your domain reversed. So for example, my domain would be coderush.com. So I'll reverse this to be com.coderush. And here I'll put my default runner class. I'll print out a statement. Now, as you can see, my app runner class, we have this package line at the top of the file that tells Java that this class belongs to this package, which is com.coderush. Now, given the naming convention that we follow, our domain reversed, typically whenever I have a new package that I want to create now, it will go my domain reversed, and then after that, whatever package that is. So for example, let's say I want to create a student package. It would be com.coderush.student. So right click, new package, students. And then in here, I can create student class. Right, and there I have my student class. And as you can see in here, I have com.coderush.students as the package name. Next, I'll add another class in here. So right click, new Java class, student details, and I'll leave it at that. But the interesting thing that I'm going to do is I'll remove this public. It'll just be class student details. And we'll just leave it at that for now. I'll go ahead and create another package. And this one I'll call courses. And here, right click, new course. Now here I could add some properties. And then I'll define students in here. So let's see what happens when I define student. Array students. Now as you can see, an import statement was added here. IntelliJ does the hard work for me, and what this does is it will import this student class in the students package in the course class. And if you look at the package name, it's com.coderush.students.student. Inside the student, let's define some properties. Now note, there's something interesting that happened here. The student details was not imported. And the reason is because they're in the same package. So whenever you have a class that's in the same package, you don't need to import it. Java would automatically look in the same package. Unlike courses where that's a different package, this package is com.coderush.courses. Here we have to import the student class. But now I want us to try one more thing. which is importing the student details in courses. So let's try and define the student details just to make sure the class names are the same. Details. As you can see, there's an error here. It won't let me import that class. If any of you were to try that, it won't let me import the student details. And that's because we don't have the access modifier defined in this class. So what Java will do is it will default to package private. So that means this class can only be accessed within the same package. I can't access it outside of that package because it has default access permissions. Let's define some properties in here. Just a few. Okay, now in the main class, we can just go ahead and define course. And as you can tell, an import statement was added there. So com.coderush.courses.course. And that's because, again, that's outside of the com.coderush package. So anytime you're accessing a class that's outside of that same package, you're going to need to have that import statement. If the classes are in the same package, then you don't need to write that import statement. And for now, I'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. And also check me out on Instagram at coderush.io.